It's been 76 days since my last upload, and honestly, I just needed a break because I'm done. I'm so done. I'm done with Flutterflow. I've stopped using it, and I don't foresee myself going back to using it ever in the future. And look, I've spent the last 2 years deeply integrated in this platform, so I know what it can do, I know what it can't do, I know what its limitations are. But the real reason I'm walking away, and there's a couple of them, and I covered them in my pros and cons video, but it's just not it for me. Um, I think I fell into the developer trap where you get so tool focused, so you know you become the best hammer, and you're just looking for nails. Um, and that's what I was doing. I was using Flutterflow just to hammer away at any nail. Anything could go on Flutterflow. And hindsight's 2020 now, but like I think there's multiple different ways to skin a cat. And I think for most beginners, if you want to learn how to build something, I just recommend vibe coding it. You'll get a lot further, a lot faster. Yes, you might have to debug a lot more, but um, you can at least get a working prototype in a couple hours versus a couple of weeks. And that's kind of the case I saw with a lot of people that I helped with Flutterflow when I was doing my freelancing, is that they thought it'd be easy. They thought that Flutterflow is a drag and drop editor, easy peasy. But truthfully, you still need to understand about databases. You still need to understand about security rules and logic and conditional logic and uh, I'm sure I could keep on going, but the list is endless and it's an extremely long learning curve. And then on top of that, I wasn't having fun making this type of content anymore. It was dreadful for me, in lack of better terms. I would stress about what my next tutorial is going to be. And then it was often discouraging when I spent 10, 15 hours trying to put out a video. Yes, I know they're a little rough. Yes, I know I'm early on in my journey and I'll get better at this and I'll get faster, but you spend 10 hours doing this and you get 300 views, 500 views, you're like, and 10 likes, you're like, okay. So I want it to be more authentic. I want it to be more me. And that's something I think I was leaving out in my other videos. But yeah, I was falling into this developer trap where kind of getting obsessed about the tool, trying to fit everything into the square hole. So yeah, I guess that's a little bit of an update of why I'm leaving Flutterflow. And instead, I've been focusing a lot of my time and effort over the past couple months on recruiting, specifically AEC recruiting for the architectural, engineering, and construction industries. A large part of why I'm doing this is because these firms are starving for money, or starving for talent, rather. Like, I think 88% of multidisciplinary firms are actively hiring for a position right now. And the old way of recruiting, the laborious, labor intensive, monotonous, old fashioned way of recruiting just isn't working anymore and it doesn't scale well. And I think it's a perfect opportunity for me to test out some of my skills, put them to use, building apps, agents, and automations that can optimize and improve the recruiting experience both for candidates as well as firms is something that I'm excited about. So, kind of with me just rambling here, my thought process is I'm going to start to shift this channel's focus into building apps and agents and automations around this recruiting agency that I'm building, um, where we're helping AEC firms hire and retain the top talent using updated recruiting methods and AI enabled services. So I kind of pivoting this content away from Flutterflow, specifically Flutterflow and Firebase, to tools that I'm using on a daily basis and giving you guys some high level tutorials about like, how to onboard a new client as well as um, very in the weeds technical tutorials of like how to onboard a new client, how to set up the Zapier automations to build a client portal, etc. So if that at all seems interesting to you guys and you're interested in following along with me on this journey where I scale this recruiting agency, then feel free to drop a like, comment, and a follow. It really does mean the world to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you that do. But in that case, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I appreciate you guys' flexibility on this new pivot that I'm pursuing, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will be sooner than 76 days this time, I promise. Bye, y'all.